In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert your Gmail messages into a PDF document. Whether you're organizing important emails, archiving correspondence, or ensuring you have offline access to crucial information, learning this simple process can be incredibly beneficial. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific email you wish to convert. This could be any email that you've received or sent. Open the email by simply clicking on it. Take a moment to skim through and ensure this is the correct email that you want to save as a PDF, as this step is essential for ensuring you don't convert the wrong message. With the email open, move your cursor to the upper right corner of the email window. You'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots, which is commonly known as the More or Options menu. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu should appear. Now, in this drop-down menu, you will find a list of various actions you can perform on that email. Look carefully for an option that says Print. It may seem a bit unconventional, but this is exactly what we need to create a PDF. After selecting the Print option, a new window will pop up, displaying a print preview of your email. This window shows exactly how the email will look on the printed page or PDF. Here's where you make the magic happen. You should see a button titled Destination with a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down and choose the Save as PDF option. Sometimes your browser might already be set to this, but it's wise to verify before proceeding. Once you have selected Save as PDF, you might also want to review other settings available. Check if there's a need to adjust the layout, such as switching between portrait and landscape, based on the format and content of your email. You can even decide if you want the headers and footers to appear on the PDF. These minor adjustments can help in making sure the PDF suits your needs perfectly. After confirming all your settings, find the Save or Export button, typically located at the bottom right of the window. Click on this button, and a new dialog box should appear, asking where you'd like to save the file on your computer. Choose a location that's easy for you to remember so you can quickly access it later. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to converting Gmail messages into a PDF. This method not only helps you save important information, but also organizes your digital data effectively. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and remember, the next time you need a hard copy of an email, the process will be just as easy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.